Agenda 2063. So the government has a grand vision about the continent. It has a dream, washo Martin Luther. So the dream of our countries under the African Union, which in 2063, Africa would be united as one country with a GDP of $4 trillion, making it the third largest GDP in the world, with a population of 1.4 billion yabantu, making it the second most populated country in the world. So government, even though the idea was 2063, makase bayiqalile ukuleya i-foundation manje ngo-2025 yabo, by introducing into ebizwa ngokuthi the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement yabo. So the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement means ukuthi ama-goods can easily move across the continent without ama-visa, including abantu yabo. So like in South Africa we have the issue of employment. I can go and work maybe a Kenya without like having a visa. I can go and work maybe a Uganda or a Angola without having a visa yabo. So even if Masiti I want to start a business, I can start a business corner here South Africa, and I can move my goods like to different countries without even having like a visa yabo. Maybe like chickens or goats or ninja despite the free movement of people and goods. So phinde sibe ne-currency yethu ethi thina as a continent yabo, because we are too dependent on the dollar, even nasendaweni i-dollar engangeni khona yabo. So masithi I wanna buy chickens eBotswana, I'll have to convert my rand to dollar, then to ipula before I can buy Botswana, despite ukuthi Botswana is my neighbor yabo. So mesi-dollarize, so vele, or when we use nje our own currency, so vele ngihambe ngeBotswana ngale currency le ngizobe nginayo and buy whatever it is I want to buy yabo. The same thing njengase-America. America uyakwazi ukusuka eWashington DC uphethe $1, uhambe uyothenga $1 eNew York, usuke eNew York uhambe eTexas ufike uthenge $1, usuke eTexas uhambe maybe eCalifornia uye kuphi kuphi, and still use the same dollar, understand, because America is an integrated country. America nayo had the same vision of multiple states united as one country. Not just America yabo, even the European Union nayo has the same thing, ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukusuka eFrance ngiphethe i-euro ngihambe ngithenga ngalo eGermany, ngisuke eGermany maybe ngihambe ngiye eCzechoslovakia or noma ngiye-Romania or noma kuphi, using the same dollar without like a party visa, without doing anything, you understand. So what do you think about this Agenda 2063? Do you believe ukuthi into right ukuthi the continent will be integrated? Do you believe ukuthi or ucabanga ukuthi akusinte right, umuntu nomuntu should be an individual state or kumele hlangane as a SADC, as a regional blocks? Or do you believe nje ukuthi abantu laba nje babathi 2063 benza ngamabomu vele because they know ukuthi by 2063 bazobe bangasekho? So